car with your hands, okay?
All right, we're at the race cars.
Yes, we are, buddy. We're at the race cars. Are you gonna have them? Are you guys gonna go first? Okay, you ready to put them on there? Want to put yours on the other side?
Sure.
Okay. We're gonna do some races. Okay, ready? Let's do the lever together. We're gonna go run. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think mine's gonna. Oh! He just went. You wanna go again, buddy?
Adorable.
Wanna try roll? Try it again.
Yeah.
Try it on my side. Wait
Yeah.
for them to go, okay? Oh, look at that! I'll grab my car again, okay, buddy?
Oh, flag stuff, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna wait our turn, buddy, okay?
Yeah. I know.
Wait, no, you do it. You do it. You do it. Do what? Push the lever.
Yeah, I'll do it. Ready?
2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do this one, then we'll let them take a turn, okay? Ready to pull the lever?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. It went through. My car was lucky.
Yeah, your car was lucky, buddy.